This dance is called 5 Divas. It's a 52 count, 4 wall, high improver level line dance with 1 tag and 5 restarts. Starting on the right foot, we're going to chasse to the right, right, close, right. Rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right. Step the left to the side, cross the right behind the left, turn a quarter turn to the left as you shuffle forward on that left. Turn, close, step. That section once more then, half on that right, chasse. 7, 8, right chasse, back, rock, side, behind, turn, shuffle. You're going to step forward on the right, pivot yourself half a turn to the left, but keep your weight on that right foot. You're then going into a left-footed coaster step, back, close, step. Kick the right forward, step the right to the side, step the left to the side. You're then going to walk that right foot in towards the left, moving the heel to the left, toe to the left, and then hitch the right. That set of steps once more, pivot into that left-footed coaster step. Off on the right. 7, 8, step, pivot, coaster, step, kick, out, heel, toe, hitch. Let's add that to the top. Chasseing to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, right chasse, back, rock, side, behind, turn, shuffle. Step, pivot, coaster, step, kick, side, side, heel, toe, hitch. Now straddling those two sections, you have got the equivalent of a 3/4 turn. So you're doing your quarter turning shuffle, and then you're adding on that step pivot half. Should you need to adjust that and take that turn out, what you can actually do your chasse, your back rock, your side behind, the same as everybody else. Instead of turning left and shuffling forward, turn right and shuffle back. So quarter turn, close, back. And then instead of your step pivot, just do a back on the right, touch the left beside the right. You can then add on your coaster, step, kick, side, side, heel, toe, hitch. So non-turning steps should you need to adjust that 3/4 of turn straddling those two sections. Step the right to the side, hold, on the and count you bring the left beside the right, and then rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on that left. Add on a sailor step, right foot leading, behind, side, side, and then a sailor quarter turn. Crossing, making that quarter turn, crossing that left behind the right, side, side. So you're back to facing 12 o'clock. That set of steps once more then. Side hold and side rock into your sailors off on the right. 7, 8, side hold and side rock, sailor step, sailors turn. Let's add that to the top. Chasse off on the right. 7, 8, right chasse, back, rock, side, behind, turn, shuffle. Step, pivot, coaster, step, kick, side, side, heel, toe, hitch. Side, hold and side, rock, sailor, step, sailor, turn. Rock forward on the right, recover your weight on that left. Half shuffle turn over your right shoulder, quarter, close, quarter. Step forward on the left, pivot yourself quarter turn to the right, cross shuffle, left over right, cross, side, cross. That set of steps once more then. Forward rock off on the right. 7, 8. Forward rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle. Now you have got the equivalent of a 3/4 of a turn in that section. So your half shuffle turn, then your step, pivot, a quarter. Should you need to try and take that out, what you can actually do, rock forward on the right, same as everybody else. Instead of doing your half shuffle, just shuffle back on the right, and then instead of that step, pivot, a quarter, rock back on the left as you recover your weight, make a quarter turn to the left, and then add on your cross shuffle. So non-turning steps should you need to try and take that 3/4 of a turn out from that section. Let's add that to the top. Chassé up on the right. 7, 8. Right chassé. Back, rock, side, behind, turn, shuffle. Step, pivot, coaster, step, kick, side, side, heel, toe, hitch. Side, hold and side, rock, sailor, step, sailor, turn. Forward, rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle. We're going into some modified point switches. So you're going to point the right out to the side, hold. On the and count, you bring the right beside the left, point the left to the side, step the left beside the right, point the right to the side. You're then going to add on a jazz box, quarter turn, stepping forward at the end. So cross the right over the left, back on the left, quarter turn to the right, step forward on that left. That set of steps once more. Points up on the right. 7, 8. Point, hold and point, cross, back, turn, step. Now you're actually going to do that set of steps twice. So we're now facing the front wall, we're going to do it again. Pointing the right to the side, hold, on the and count, feet together, put the left to the side, left beside right, point right to the side, add on that jazz box, cross, back, quarter turn, step. I'm going to add on the last 4 counts, because that's all we've got left to end the dance. So you're going to step forward on the right, do half a turn to the left, and then walk forward 2 steps, right, left. So let's just do those last 2.5 sections, if you like. Point switches into your jazz box, point switch into your jazz box, and then that pivot walk, end the dance, and then we'll put it all together. Points off on the right. 7, 8. Point, hold, and point, cross, back, turn, step. Point, hold, and point, cross, back, turn, step. Step, pivot, walk, walk. Let's add that to the top. Chassé off on the right. 7, 8. Right chassé. Back, rock, side, behind, turn, shuffle. Step, pivot, coaster, step, kick, side, side, heel, toe, hitch. Side, hold and side, rock, sailor, step, sailor, turn. Forward, rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle. Point, hold and point, cross, back, turn, step. Point, hold and point, cross, back, turn, step. Step, pivot, walk, walk. That's your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Chassé off on the right. 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, hold 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. hold 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So hopefully that gives you a bit of feel for the timing of the dance. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Chassé off on the right. 7, 8, right chassé, back, rock, side, behind, turn, shuffle, step, pivot, coaster, step, kick, side, side, heel, toe, hitch, side, hold and side, rock, sailor, step, sailor, turn, forward, rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle, point, hold and point, cross, back, turn, step, point, hold and point, cross, back, turn, step, step, pivot, walk, walk. Right chassé, back, rock, side, behind, turn, shuffle, step, pivot, coaster, step, kick, side, side, heel, toe, hitch, side, hold and side, rock, sailor, step, sailor, turn, forward, rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle, point, hold and point, cross, back, turn, step, point, hold and point, cross, back, turn, step, step, pivot, walk, walk, right chassé, back, rock, side, behind, turn, shuffle, step, pivot, coaster, step, kick, side, side, heel, toe, hitch, side and side, rock, sailor, step, sailor, turn, forward, rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle, point, cross, back, turn, step, point, cross, back, turn, step, step, pivot, walk, walk. So that is your dance. Now there are, as I said at the beginning, 1 tag, 5 restarts in this dance. The beauty is it all happens after 32 counts. So you don't go into your point section. So your restarts are on walls 2, 4, 5, 6 and 7. But wall 6 is the one that also has the tag in it. So by the time you get to 32 counts on wall 6, you will be facing the back wall. So your tag, stomp forward on the right, make half a turn to the left, stomp the left beside the right, stomp the right in place beside the left, clap twice. Stomp, 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 clap, clap. 1, 2, 3, clap on the and 4. So you do that tag on wall 6 and then you restart. So what we're going to do is we're going to do wall 5, which is our 12 o'clock wall, restart after 32, so you can see what a straightforward restart is like, into wall 6, add on the tag and restart, so you can see how that fits in as well. So remember, don't go into your points. Here we go, chassé on the right. 7, 8, right chassé, back, rock, side, behind, turn, shuffle, step, pivot, coaster, step, kick, side, side, heel, toe, hitch, side and side, rock, sailor, step, sailor, turn, forward, rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle, restart, right chassé, back, rock, side, behind, turn, shuffle, step, pivot, coaster, step, kick, side, side, heel, toe, hitch, side and side, rock, sailor, step, sailor, turn, forward, rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle, tag, stomp, 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 clap, clap, restart, chassé, back, rock, side, behind, turn, shuffle. So hopefully you can see how all that works. So a little recap. Restart wall 2, 4, 5, tag restart on 6, simple plain restart on 7. So nothing on 1 and 3. So that is it. That is your dance, your walkthrough, your tag and your restart information. Let's give it a go. Timber music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Run, José, back and roll. Side behind, turn, José. Step, pivot, coaster, step. Hit, side, side, heel, toe, hitch. Side and side, rock. Sailor, step, sailor, turn. Forward, rock, half shuffle, step. Pivot, cross, shuffle. Point and point and point. Cross, back, turn, step. Point and point and point. Cross, back, turn, step. Step, pivot, walk, walk. José, back, rock. Side behind, turn, shuffle, step, pivot, coaster, step, kick side, side, heel turn, hit, side, and side rock, side, should restart wall, forward rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle, restart, chassé, back rock, side behind, turn, shuffle, step, pivot, coaster, step, kick side, side, heel turn, hitch, side, and side rock, sailor step, sailor turn, forward rock, half shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle, point and point and point, cross, back, turn, step, point and point and point, cross, back, turn, step, step, pivot, walk, walk, chassé, back, rock, side behind, turn, shuffle, step, pivot, coaster, step, kick side, side, coaster, hitch, side and side rock, sailor, and next restart wall, half shuffle, step, pivot, cross shuffle, chassé, pivots, side, let's restart wall, restart, chassé, she's tag wall this one, pivot, side, forward rock, half shuffle, here's your tag, stomp, 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 clap, clap, chassé. Let's restart wall. Restart, chassé. Hope you managed that one.